Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's quick video for you guys, we're going to show you guys how to set any photo as your wallpaper for your home screen and your lock screen, depending on how you want to do it. It's going to be pretty straightforward. You don't have to use the default one. As you know, by default, if you go into settings and go to wallpaper and then choose a wallpaper, right, you're only limited to these ones. But what if there's a photo or video that you want to do? What you can do is simply go select here and look at your photos that you have or recent photos, and you're able to go ahead, click on that, and now you can go ahead and set either it to be a lock screen, which would be like this screen, home screen, which would be when you're in with all the apps, or both. So depending on what you want, you can set a different one for lock screen, one for your home screen. So that's how you go about setting the wallpaper on it. But what if it's a photo or video from the internet, right? So you have a photo or video. Let's search up iPhone wallpaper 4K. Maybe we want to look for an image that we like here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Maybe we think that this is a cool wallpaper to choose. And how do you download this photo? So in Google Images that we've been, we can simply press and hold here. And this time when you press and hold, again, it's going to be pretty straightforward. Press and hold, and then you can add to photos. You click on that. Once you add to photos, this time you can open up the photo app, and this is the second way to be able to set up the wallpaper. And click on the photo that you like. Let's say you like this photo, right? How do we set it as a wallpaper? It's really straightforward. You can click on this arrow up on your left hand side and scroll down here. You notice this option, use as wallpaper. You're going to click on that, and once you click on that, you can actually move this around. So something that you don't know, you might have not ever thought about it, is that you can actually resize the photo specifically the way you need it for it. Let's say we like maybe this specific one, and you can scale and do things like that. You can zoom in, zoom out, all of that and much more. Play around with it. Hit that set button. Again, you can set it as a lock, home, or both. Click on that, and if we take a look, as you notice, we are successfully able to set the wallpaper on our iPhone. Hopefully this quick tip was helpful for you guys on how you can set any photo or take a photo from the internet and be able to set it on your iPhone wallpaper. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.